The Lord be with you. I'm Deacon Keith Fournier. Our first reading is taken from the book of the prophet Amos. Seek good and not evil, so that you may survive. And Yahweh, God Sabaoth, be with you, as you claim He is. Hate evil, love good. Let justice reign at the city gate. It may be that Yahweh, God Sabaoth, will take pity on the remnant of Joseph. I scorn your festivals. I take no pleasure in your solemn assemblies. When you bring me burnt offerings, your oblations, I do not accept them. And I do not look at your communion sacrifices of fat cattle. Spare me the din of your chanting. Let me hear none of your strumming on lyres. But let justice flow like water, and uprightness like a never-failing stream. And our response is from Psalm 50. Listen, my people, I am speaking. Israel, I'm giving evidence against you. I, God, your God. It is not with your sacrifices that I find fault, those burnt offerings constantly before me. I will not accept any bull from your homes, nor a single goat from your folds. For all forest creatures are mine already, the animals on the mountains in their thousands. I know every bird in the air. Whatever moves in the fields is mine. If I am hungry, I shall not tell you, since the world and all it holds is mine. Am I to eat the flesh of bulls or drink the blood of goats? But to the wicked, God says, what right have you to recite my statutes, to take my covenant on your lips, when you detest my teaching and thrust my words behind you? And a reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Matthew. When Jesus reached the territory of the Gadarenes on the other side, 2 demoniacs came toward him out of the tombs. They were so dangerously violent that nobody used that path. Suddenly they shouted, "What do you want with us, Son of God? Have you come here to torture us before the time?" Now some distance away there was a large herd of pigs feeding. And the devils pleaded with Jesus, "If you drive us out, send us into the herd of pigs." And he said to them, "Go then." And they came out and made for the pigs. And at that the whole herd charged down the cliff into the lake and perished in the water. The herdsmen ran off and made for the city, where they told the whole story, including what had happened to the demoniacs. Suddenly the whole city set out to meet Jesus. And as soon as they saw him, they implored him to leave their neighborhood. The Gospel of the Lord.